Hi, this is your Mohan, design engineer. Welcome to Engineers CAD's YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about splitting of AutoCAD into two parts for easy work. Okay, dividing AutoCAD into two parts for easy work. For our work convenience, dividing AutoCAD into two major categories. So, if any drawing you will see, let us look on the screen. Civil and architecture based two drawings are kept on the screen, and another side a mechanical drawing also kept on the screen. You can watch this both. Whatever lines, rectangles, and these all arcs, circles, and these all drawn here, these all are nothing but geometric parts. See, sketch related means geometric shape related, contributing all the lines, rectangles, arcs, circles. These are geometric objects. Okay, in any drawing, no matter what is the drawing, it is related to AutoCAD, electrical, plumbing, mechanical, civil, architecture, P&ID, MEP, whatever may be, whatever the AutoCAD franchise drawings are there, all the branches related AutoCAD drawings you will see, means there must be geometric part will be involved in the drawing, and a non-geometrical part also will be involved in the drawing. Sir, how can we know that? Then you can see an explanation note I had written. In all the three drawings, if you notice carefully, two categories objects are there. In first category, using lines, arcs, circles, rectangles, etc. geometric objects are making geometric shape or geometric part of the required drawing. If you watch this drawing, in this arc, circles are using or not, here lines, rectangles are using or not, those all are geometric objects. Okay, and that goes into geometrical AutoCAD. If sketch related anything, AutoCAD tools are handling to only make geometric shape. Okay, then such a tools which are helping to make a only geometrical shape in AutoCAD, that AutoCAD is called geometrical AutoCAD. Okay, and in second category, using text dimension, color symbols, etc. non-geometric objects, making the required drawing informative and meaningful. If you will make only drawing, now you will just make this drawing, you won't provide its dimension, text, symbols, then what is the value of the drawing? So how much making sketch part or drawing part is important, that much non-geometry also important for a drawing. Providing color to the drawing, providing text, providing dimension, providing notation, symbols. If these are non-geometry also not there in AutoCAD, there is no value to the drawing, because it will be a non-informative drawing, non-meaningful drawing. If somebody will draw the drawing but he will not mention the details of the drawing, then who will understand the drawing? So how much geometric part is important in AutoCAD, that much non-geometric part also important in AutoCAD. Geometric part means lines, circles, rectangle, these all will come. Non-geometric part means layers, blocks, groups, like these all will come. Okay, so finally from this we came to know that in every drawing, AutoCAD software geometric part tools and AutoCAD software's non-geometric part tools are contributing to make a perfect AutoCAD project drawing. Okay, so that thing you have to keep in mind. According to our previous page explanation, where we had seen civil drawing, architectural drawing, mechanical drawing, and we just discussed there in that page, just previous page of this page, there we discussed about uh, uh, in AutoCAD, two sectors are there, that is geometrical AutoCAD and non-geometrical AutoCAD. Based on that, okay, I just made this one. Attention note: from the previous page diagrammatic and explanation notes discussion, we got to know that AutoCAD is conceptually divided into two parts. I just told in that video, in that part only. That first part is called geometric part and second part is called non-geometrical AutoCAD. I am showing this in tabular view. AutoCAD divided into geometrical AutoCAD, non-geometrical AutoCAD. Okay. So draw tools. In AutoCAD there are 13 pairs of draw tools are there. I mean 26. Modify tools. There are 14 pairs of modify tools are there. There are 14 pairs of modified tools are there. Okay, I mean there are 28 tools are there. There are 14 pairs of modified tools are there. I mean 28 tools are there. Okay, geometrical AutoCAD, draw tools, modify tools. In draw tools, what are those 13 pairs are there? Those are mentioned here. In modify tools, those are 14 pairs are there. Those names are mentioned here in pairing mode. Okay. While I just mentioned like this in C type channel means this to that difference to know only, I just kept like this, and you can keep in your brain little bit trickily if you keep like this. AutoCAD and non-geometrical AutoCAD topics, these all will come under non-geometrical AutoCAD. Dimension, text, layers, blocks, group, line type, line weight match, object color, clipboard, table and model, viewport, tool palette, properties, and these all will come under non-geometrical AutoCAD. This geometrical AutoCAD and non-geometrical AutoCAD both you will use nicely, then you can be a good AutoCAD design engineer. Okay, so now you can see here this draw tools whatever available here, and whatever this modify tools available here, these are classified under geometrical AutoCAD. Geometrical AutoCAD means if you want to do any shape in AutoCAD, okay, then to do that shape you need two category of tools as I discussed earlier. This is called draw category of tools. This is called modify category of tools. Here all the tools are there. Here all modify tools are there. These are 13 pairs, 26 tools. These are 14 pairs, 28 tools. Okay. And these are all non-geometric tools. These all are non-geometric. Text, dimensional, layer, multi layers, blocks, groups, dot dot dot. These all are there. So from this video, I want to tell you one thing, that give good preference to both of them. Okay, don't practice more draw tools and less don't practice more geometrical AutoCAD and leaving non-geometrical AutoCAD, it will be a hammer. And don't practice more non-geometrical AutoCAD and leave weekly geometrical AutoCAD, that is also danger. So both are very important. How much you will give preference for geometrical AutoCAD, that much preference you have to give for non-geometrical AutoCAD, because how much preference you will give to geometrical AutoCAD, according to that the shape will come neat and clean and nicely as per the client requirement. And if you don't make the client requirement drawing informative with dimensions, layers, colors, block, dissolve, then that will not convert into meaningful and that will not be helpful. To be a good AutoCAD engineer, you have to use non-geometrical AutoCAD, geometrical AutoCAD, both in balancing mode. Okay, that's I want to suggest you. So finally, I want to suggest you that to be a good AutoCAD engineer, you must know geometrical part of AutoCAD as well as non-geometrical part of AutoCAD also. So give priority to both. Don't think that I just know draw tools, modify tools, geometric part, I can draw any shape, no more tension. No. Drawing making is one part means, geometrical part of drawing making is one part means, to make the drawing informative, if you don't know the all, then the drawing will be declined from the client. So be careful, both to give preference, learn nicely.